Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. We have already started our chapter number 5 and today we will continue in that chapter. Look at here on the page number 58 where you will find out this Ismail's home. Okay, on the phone Ismail told Srijata the route to his house from her house. The route map is shown here. So basically this is a map based activity in which you have to find out the way, and this is what Ismail told Srijata. From your house reach the milk booth and then take left turn. See, यहाँ से आपके घर से milk booth तक जाओ, फिर देखो this is the way you will find out the left or right. तो ये हो गया left hand है, ये मेरा right hand है. So I am going to take left turn. तो मैं ऐसे left turn लेने में. Then what did he say? From the second crossing take right turn and go over the bridge. ये first crossing and the second crossing. From that she has to take right turn. देखो यहाँ पे ये left hand है और ये right hand है. Bridge is on the right hand side, so she has to take right turn. Okay, then afterward go straight and take first right turn. After about 100 meter you will see a big park. तो यहाँ पे ये complete होने के बाद again ये मेरा left hand right hand, the house is on the left hand side and he told her to take right turn, first right turn. The first right turn which is leads her to the opposite direction of his home. So there is a mistake over here. And after about 100 meters, after taking left turn about 100 meters, you will see a big park. There is a big park over there, and when you cross the park you will come to a side lane. My house is the first house in that lane. Okay, here is a side lane where that's the first house. Okay, based on that there are some question answer, so we are going to solve that. First question is, did Ismail go wrong somewhere? Can you correct him? So yes, Ismail went wrong when he told Srijata to take right turn after crossing the bridge. Actually, what was the correct answer? To reach Ismail's house, Srijata should take first left turn after crossing the bridge. As I had told you, यहाँ पे first crossing के बाद उसको right turn नहीं left turn पे जाना है. In the left direction, she will find out the Ismail's house. But when if she take right turn, she will goes in the opposite direction of Ismail's house. Our second number question is, look at here. Show where Srijata will reach if she take the route he told her. Okay. So if Srijata takes the route told by Ismail, she will reach in the opposite direction from Ismail's house. तो अगर वो ये right turn लेगी तो वो उसके opposite direction में पहुंच जाएगी. And the third question is, write the different direction for going from Ismail's house to Srijata's house. तो here we have to write down everything verbally. कहाँ से कैसे जाना है. For that start from Ismail's house. Ismail के घर से हम start करेंगे, ठीक है. And take first right, यहाँ पे right hand side पे turn करेंगे. Go straight after crossing the bridge. Take first left turn and then take the second right turn which is from the milk booth and go straight, and red colored house is Srijata's house. तो यहाँ पे ऐसे डायरेक्शन वाइज हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज गिबली एंड द बिग बॉक्स. नाउ डू यू रिमेंबर गिबली द एंट इन द मैथ मैजिक बुक 3? यस. वेल, one day Ghibli saw a big box on her way. It looks like this. ये उसको ऐसा दिखा. Ghibli moved across and turned left. वो लेफ्ट राइट गई. Now she could see the other face of the big box. Ghibli was confused. What was this box? She climbed on a cup and tried to see from there. The box looked like this. वो बिल्कुल कुछ ऐसा लिख रहा था. This is a 3D object, right? So can you guess what that box like thing was? It is a dice. Okay. The number on the opposite face of the box add up to 7. That means the addition of the opposite sides of the numbers are 7. So which number was on the opposite side of 5? तो 5 के opposite कौन सा number होगा? For that, what will you do? You will subtract 5 from the 7. So you will get 2. So on the opposite side, there would be the 2 number. Now next question in the picture, which number will be at the bottom? Top पे 1 है, तो bottom पे क्या होगा? Definitely the number would be 6 because 6 plus 1 is 7. Or you can say that 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So on the bottom there would be 6. Next question, which number will Ghibli see if she turns left from 5? अगर 5 से left लेगी तो उसको 1 मिलेगा. And what will this box look like if you open it up? Make the correct picture. So your answer is A because यहाँ पर क्या है? The opposite side, the addition of the number of opposite side would be 7. So 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 7 and 6 plus 1, 7. So every time you will get the 7 addition. Look at here, 5 plus 3, 7. 1 plus 2, 3, which is not possible. हर जगह पे 7 addition आना चाहिए. 5 plus 4, 9, which is not possible. 5, 6, 7, 1 plus 4, 5, which is not possible. So this option is the correct one. Okay, next question is, can you use this box to play a game? Yes, we will use this box to play Ludo. Now we will move on to the workbook. Now open the page number 68 where you will find out the exercise 10. Answer the following question on the basis of the map given below. Okay, this is also a map based activity. It is similar like a textbook. So here, based on this, there are some question answer. Our first question is, explain the route to Naren's house from Neha's house. Here we have to explain the route from Naren's house to Neha's house. So from Naren house, first we'll take right turn and then go straight. Okay, यहाँ से हम right turn लेंगे और straight जाएंगे. After crossing the bridge, ये right turn लिया. After crossing the bridge, take first left turn and take second right turn. यहाँ पे first turn and ये second right turn from milk shop. You will see the Neha's house in that lane. तो यहाँ पे नेहा का घर है. समझ आई? यहाँ से सीधे गए, फिर यहाँ से कौन सा वाला टर्न लिया? राइट टर्न, फिर लेफ्ट टर्न. फ्रॉम द सेकेंड क्रॉसिंग टेक राइट टर्न and from the milk shop you will see the Neha's house in that lane. So our second number question is, explain the route to Neha's house from Naren's house. Now उल्टा जाना है, उल्टे डायरेक्शन में. ठीक है? From Neha's house we will reach the milk shop. Then take a left turn. यहाँ से हमने left turn ले लिया. ठीक है? Left turn. From the second crossing take a right turn. This is first crossing, second crossing. Take a right turn. After crossing bridge, take a first left turn and go straight towards the park. After about 100 meter, you will see the Naren's house. यहाँ पार्क से थोड़े दूर जाओगे तो नरेन का हाउस मिल जाएगा. So this is the way you will write down the route. Now question number 11, which is also a similar kind of question which we have solved in the textbook. So here, answer the following question on the basis of the picture given below. Here the number on the opposite face add up to 7. मतलब opposite faces पे जो भी number है उसका addition 7 ही होगा. What does this box look like? Okay, it is just look like a dice. And which number will be on the opposite side of 5? That would be 2. How? 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Because the addition of the opposite number on the opposite faces are 7. So, in the picture, which number will be at the bottom? On the top, you will have 1. So, bottom में क्या होगा? 6. क्यों? 7 minus 1 is 6. That's why the addition of 1 and 6 is 7. तो 7 में से 1 को minus करेंगे and we will get the number which is on the bottom. 1 is on the top and this would be on a bottom. Next, number 4. Which number will Ghibli see if she again turns left from 5? 5 से left turn, देखो ये right turn हो गया, ये left turn हो गया. Left turn पे क्या आएगा? 1. Number 5. Again, this is the repetition, I think. What will this box look like if you open it up and choose the correct option? Okay, so this one is the correct option. As I told you, all the sides having addition. 7, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 2 is 7. So these are the opposite side. आप कोई भी box को ऐसे open करोगे ना, you will get all these faces like this. Okay, so try to do it whenever you will get the toothpaste box. Okay, when you open the toothpaste box, you will get this kind of faces. वो पूरी sides बस आप खोल दोगे ना तो वैसे ही faces मिलेंगे. So you will get an idea. Fine. Now turn your page. यहाँ पर है कुछ test yourself. So let's do it. Number 1, Mihir is practicing for a race and he uses the given map to find out the possible route. The route must start from the school and end at house. He wants to run the shortest route and which of the following is the best route? तो यहाँ पर देखो रूट है, रूट के हिसाब से आपको एडिशन करते जाना है. सी द मैप एंड द डिस्टेंस हैज बीन गिवन. तो फर्स्ट स्कूल, स्कूल से मार्केट, दैट मीन्स 3. मार्केट से गार्डन, वेयर इज द गार्डन, मीन्स 2. एंड फ्रॉम द गार्डन, गार्डन टू बैंक 2 and bank to house is 3. So total 10 centimeter, 10 kilometer. Okay, from school to library 3 plus temple, वहाँ से temple जाना है, plus 3 and from temple to house is 2 kilometer. So we can say that, wait, 3 to library, library से temple, ये 5 है, sorry, 5 plus 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10 kilometers. Again school to library, school से लेके library means 5, library to market 2, market to house, market to house is 4. So 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 11 kilometer. Now the last route is school, school से market 3, market to temple again 3 kilometers and from temple to houses 2 kilometers. 3 plus 3 6, 7, 8. So the shortest route is 8 kilometers. So this way you will do the addition and find out the route towards the home. Number 2, when we open the box, which of the following is the correct one? As I told you, हर जगह पे 7 वाला addition आएगा. That means that one is the correct. So number A is the correct answer. So this is it for this session. Next time we will start the new chapter, chapter number 6. So till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.